All right, gonna make an end cap for a 22 today. I've got material set up. Gonna do a center cut in it first and then drill it. 22, I usually use a 7mm drill. Run it at 1000 RPM. Alright, all I did with that was establish a point for the drill to settle into. Like I said, 7mm drill. That'll give enough clearance for a 22. Doing about 10 of these back to back. I've got an order for a bunch of HDMs. And drilling the 7mm, use coolant. I've only got to do 2 of them left, so that should give me enough. So now, got a little notch right here for the end of the threads there. Use the same tool. Just doing this manually. That'll give me a relief on the backside. And I'm going to go ahead and take my deburring tool and chamfer the inside hole just a little bit. Now I'm going to change tools. So I'm going to go to thread cutter. And I like these Swiss style quick release thingies here. So on this one, I'm going to cut a little bit of a chamfer right at the end there, and then I've already got my backside there. So when it comes in, it's going to skip over that chamfer in front, and then get to the point where the chamfer is on back. And set my 0 point up front. I'm going to change my tooling in my program, offsets page, and go over to a threader. And 0 point. Now I'm going to go over and I'm going to peck onto my OD. Right there. Just barely scratch the surface on it. I'll call that 964 thousandths. Conversational 964, 1292. Threading. Post this one. I've already done program set up on it, and then we'll go back over the cycle start on it, which should take off. Starting with an initial at 965 thousandths and doing a base cut down to 917 thousandths. so that's basically the end cap. Now I'm going to come back, change the tool to a parting tool, and the total overall height on this thing is going to be ½ inch. So I'll establish my baseline into the edge. Right there, call it 0. Pick it up to 2,000. Alright, so let's pull it. I don't like the peck on it, steel. I'll bring it in about 2/3 of the way, and then it'll start to growl a little bit, and I'll back it off. Takes it out, and someplace. Yeah, there it is. I'm making a bunch of these things today. So that's the end cap, and then I'll set this up in the mill later and then punch 6 holes on the end of this thing. And that is the end cap for an HDM or Ruger Integral.